So painting the colour wheel, you begin with the three primary colours. The three primary colours are red, yellow and blue. So to create the secondary colours, we add equal amounts of yellow to the red, mix it together, and that is going to create our secondary colour, which is orange. So to create our next secondary colour, we're going to mix blue and yellow together. They're our primaries, so we're mixing them together to create a secondary colour, and that secondary colour is green. In order to create the third secondary colour, we are going to mix blue and red together because they are our primary colours. Mix blue and red to create a secondary colour, which is purple. So, to complete the colour wheel, we're now going to mix what we call tertiary colours. So that's the third mix. So if we mix a primary colour, red, with our secondary colour, orange, that's going to give us a reddy orange. And again, if we add our primary yellow to our secondary orange, mix it together, and that gives us a yellow orange. It's a slightly lighter orange, and you can just see the graduation going around the colour wheel. So we continue around the colour wheel, mixing our secondary colours with our primary colours to give us our tertiary colours. So in this instance, we are mixing the yellow, primary yellow, with the secondary green, and that's giving us a much lighter green, a yellowy green. Then we're going to mix the primary blue with the secondary green, and that is going to give us, it's almost like a teal colour. Okay, so now primary blue with the secondary dark purple, and that gives us almost lilac-y purple. And then last, the primary red with the dark purple, and that sort of gives us a maroon type colour. And that is a very quick version of how we can create all the colours on the colour wheel. So colours that sit opposite each other on the colour wheel, such as red and green, they are complementary colours because they really complement each other, and when you use them together in artwork, they really make each other pop off of the page. So that is complementary colours. A group of three colours on the colour wheel side by side, such as the reds and the oranges, they are called analogous colours, and they can work really well together in a colour palette. So they are analogous colours that sit next to each other on the colour wheel.